What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm giving you a quick review of Jasper AI and whether it's still worth using for AI writing and marketing content. Jasper AI is an AI writing tool built mainly for businesses, marketers, and teams that need content at scale. It's commonly used for things like blog posts, ad copy, emails, landing pages, and social media content. One of Jasper's biggest strengths is brand voice control. You can train it to follow specific tones, styles, and guidelines, which makes it useful for teams that want consistent messaging across all their content. Jasper also includes templates and workflows that help speed things up. Instead of starting from scratch, you can use pre-built formats for different types of content and customize them to fit your needs. That said, Jasper works best when you give it clear direction. If your prompts are vague, the output can feel generic. And for highly creative or technical writing, you may still need to do some editing. Pricing is another thing to consider. Jasper is more expensive than many general-purpose AI tools, so it makes the most sense if you're producing a lot of marketing content or working with a team. Overall, Jasper AI is a strong option for businesses that want scalable, brand-consistent AI writing. If you're focused on marketing, content production, and team workflows, it's definitely worth checking out. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.